wet my weave up. I'm the trap Selena, done like gasolina.
Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I created this maroon nude burgundy look using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I'm so excited and now I don't really know what else to say. So let's just get into it.
Alright, I'm going to start by priming my face with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer in Original. Next, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion just to prime my eyes before my eyeshadow. I just noticed I'm using a lot of Urban Decay products. Hey, Urban Decay, y'all. Alright, next I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to go in with the NYX Tame and Frame Eyebrow Pomade. It works really well. It's very affordable as well. I got it in the color Brunette by accident. I meant to get it in the color Espresso just because it's a little darker, but this Brunette just gives it a more natural look, which, is totally fine. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer to give my eyes a nice base. Just gonna take a little dab of that on my, Just gonna take a nice little dab of that on my eyeliner brush and kind of just clean those brows up a little bit. Alright, to finish off my brows, I'm going to go in with the NYX Brow Mascara in the color Espresso. Now I'm going to give my eyes a nice base with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Medium Beige. Blend it in, girl. Do not forget to blend it in. Alright, time for the fun part, the eyeshadow. So I'm going to start by just using some regular degular schmegula Scotch tape, and I'm going to kind of just put that in a diagonal line from my eyebrows down to the corner of the outer eye. Now I'm going on my lid towards my inner corner with Scorched from the palette using a kind of flat end brush. Now I'm going into the center of my lid with Fuego. All the products used will be listed in the description box below. So don't worry if I mess something up, girl. If you miss something, girl, I got you. Alright, now I'm going with the outer corners with Ashes from that palette using a blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend and blend and blend and blend some more until I like it. That was the color Lumber. I'm kind of using this as a transition color. Definitely meant to do this at the beginning before doing all those other colors, but I guess I just got sidetracked. I don't know. We're gonna take that off and see how nice and clean these lines are, honey. Yes. Yes. Flip that thing around, girl. Oop. Now we're using the Ulta Beauty Liquid Liner in Matte. This is really great if you want to do a super sharp cat eye. You definitely have the option to leave the tape and do the liner over the tape just to make sure that line stays straight. But when I do it, it never seems to come out right. It's always wrong and ugly. So I just kind of learned to freehand it, and it comes out looking better for me. All right, time for lashes. Now I'm going to be using my Ardell Faux Mink lashes in 811. And y'all, when I say this is the best eyelash glue ever, it literally is. I got it from my local beauty supply. It was like $2. It goes on clear, so you can use it with any color liner or shadow. It stays literally all day. This stuff is the best All right, time for foundation. Now I'm going to be using my MAC Matchmaster. That is a mouthful. I'm going to use my MAC Matchmaster foundation in the color 7 and just blend all that out with a buffing brush. Flip that thing around. Going back in with the same concealer that I used on my eyes. I'm just going to use this to highlight all the areas that I want to be lit on my face. All right, now I'm going to contour with the MAC Matchmaster Concealer in the color 9. Now I'm going to bake with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just put that all in my T-zone area. I tend to get really oily in my T-zone, especially on my nose. So I actually bake my entire nose, not just straight down the middle.
A few moments later.
I don't even know why I put makeup on my nose because it's literally gone in like an hour. If anybody knows any products that's great for like an oily / sweaty nose, please let me know because a girl be struggling out here. Now I'm going to set my contour with the L'Oreal True Match powder in the color Cocoa. Now I'm going to do my bottom lashes with the Rimmel London Exaggerate eyeliner in the color Black. Now it's time for the highlight. I'm going to be using the Laura Geller Gilded Honey with my fan brush, just applying it here to my cheekbones, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London Lash Accelerator Mascara. I'm going to highlight my inner corner with that same product I used to highlight my cheeks and the rest of my face. I'm going to set my face with the MAC Fix Plus. For my lip, I'm going to use Whirl by MAC. This is my absolute favorite lipstick, as you can see. I barely have any left. I want to add a little extra gloss to this, so I'm going to go over that lipstick with the NYX Butter Gloss in the color 05. We're going to unleash these edges, honey. And that is going to complete today's look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave me a comment if you have any suggestions, any ideas for future videos, any type of looks that you want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.